Hi traders, this is Gomathi Shankar. I am very happy to meet you all in a new video. In this video, we are going to review Bank Nifty for the first 2 weeks of April month, and then we will discuss the possible trade opportunities we got so far. So without wasting any time, let's get started. On April 1, I posted the trade plan for the April month, especially for Nifty, Bank Nifty and few other sectors. In that, I have clearly said that Bank Nifty is going to be bullish. If you look at my video, exactly around 6 minutes 46 seconds, I have said that Bank Nifty is forming a Dow theory kind of structure and our target levels will be the next higher highs. I have clearly said that Bank Nifty is forming a Dow theory structure and our target is going to be the next lower highs. So as per my analysis, as per our trade plan, you can clearly see that Bank Nifty has broken this Dow theory last lower high level. And once that level is broken, our target is going to be roughly around 42,000. Right, and our target is reached, and this is what I have said in my trade plan video. So if you have not yet watched my trade plan video for the April month, please watch it right now. I will provide the link in the description. So what are the trade opportunities we got so far in this 2 weeks of Bank Nifty? Our target is reached, but let us look at the possible entry and exit opportunities. Now you can look at the Dow theory zone which I have drawn over here, and that Dow theory level has been broken. So what we will do from April 3rd onwards, we will be looking only for long opportunity. Now on 3rd of April, Bank Nifty can be seen taking multiple supports around daily CPR level. So this is a good area for building your long position for a quick scalping till previous day high. Alright, so 3rd April was not a great trending market. It is just a sideways market. It was trading between previous day high and CPR, and then in the afternoon session it was trading between R1 and previous day high. So it is a range bound day only, but still you could have done a quick scalping when the market was taking support at the daily CPR level. Now let us look at the trade opportunities we got on 5th of April. Now on 5th April, Bank Nifty can be seen coming down below previous day high. You can take a short position for a quick scalping till daily CPR, or you can still avoid the trade because Bank Nifty can be seen breaking an important Dow theory level in daily chart. So you can trust only the bulls. So either you can avoid taking short positions. Even if you are planning for a short position below previous day high, you should reduce your position sizing, alright, because you are taking a position against the trend. As per daily chart, the trend has turned into a bullish trend, but as per 5 minutes chart, you are planning for a short trade. So you are going against the trend, so reduce your position sizing. So you can take a short position below previous day high. For a stop loss above previous day high, your stop loss is hit. Now you can reverse your position when R1 is broken for a quick scalping till R2, and your trade has been successful. Alright. So 2 trades on 5th of April is being successful. Now when the market is reversing at R2 level, you can take a short position with stop loss above R2 for a quick scalping till R1, and that trade also can be seen as a successful trade. So overall, on 5th of April, you got 3 good trade opportunities and all the 3 trades were successful. Now let us look at the trade opportunities we got on 6th of April. On 6th, we can see that Bank Nifty has been taking supports around R1 and previous day low levels. So as soon as you see that the market is taking supports and the market is not seen like breaking S1 and previous day low, you can start building your long position because already we are having a trust on the bull side as per the higher time frame. So generally the market will start reversing from S1 and previous day low in case of a bull trend, and same way the market will be taking supports at daily CPR in case of a bull trend. So these are the areas where you can look for some long positions. Now, the market is reversing from S1 and previous day low. That can be planned as a long position. Sometimes the market reverses from daily CPR. That can be taken as a long position opportunity. And sometimes the market will reverse from R1 and previous day high. That also can be taken as a long opportunity. Alright. So whenever you are having a bullish bias, make sure you build your position exactly in these key areas. Now on S1 and previous day low, we can see the candles are taking some good supports. You are going to build your position with stop loss below previous day low. Your initial target is going to be daily CPR, but you can see the market has easily reached R1 and previous day high. Alright. Now in case if you have missed the entry at S1 and previous day low, you have not taken any long position over here, then still you can build a long position when the candles are breaking R1 and previous day high with your stop loss below R1 and previous day high, and your target will be R2 and your target is easily reached. Now when the market is breaking the R2, you can take a long position for a target of R3, but R3 has never been reached, and when the market reverses from R2, you can take a short position. This is similar to what happened on 5th of April. On 5th of April, the market reversed from R2 and R1 was easily reached. Same way, on 6th of April, the market is reversing from R2. You can go for a short. You can quickly aim for a scalping till R1 and previous day high. And then you can see the market is breaking R1 and previous day high, and the market is coming down towards the daily CPR. But that trade can be avoided because already that candle has reached the daily CPR. Almost it has reached. So better that short position can be avoided. Alright, so overall on 6th of April also we got somewhere around 3-4 trades at S1 previous day low, when R1 and previous day high is broken, when R2 is broken, and at R2 reversal. So almost we got 4 trade opportunities, and we can see most of the trades were successful. R1 and previous day high is successful, S1 previous day low reversal trade is successful, and R2 breakout alone is not a successful trade, but R2 reversal trade was successful. So overall 6th April is also a good trade for option buyers, especially if you are a good scalping. Now on 10th of April, we can see the market is coming below daily CPR. Alright. Now as I said earlier, the overall trend in daily chart seems to be bullish, but in 5 minutes chart the candles are having a bearish structure. I can take a short position but with less position sizing. Alright. So I will take a short position when the daily CPR is broken for a target of S1 and previous day low. Alright. And you can see the target has been reached easily. Now here in this point on 10th of April, the market is not properly reversing from S1 and previous day low. So it is not easy for me to take a long position. But once again, when the market is reversing from daily CPR, definitely I will go for a short position. Now you can see over here in a couple of candles, the market has broken the daily CPR. Can I take a long position? Yes, I can take a long position for a stop loss below daily CPR. You can see my stop loss is hit. Alright. But when the market is reversing from daily CPR, again I can go for a short position. So my first trade is going to be below daily CPR. My first trade is successful. Now here I am unable to take a long position because the candles are not taking a proper support at S1 and previous day low. So let's ignore this trade. Now I will go for a long position over here because the candles are breaking the daily CPR. So my second trade is a stop loss hit below daily CPR levels. Now I can build a short position as soon as my stop loss is hit. This is my third trade, and now once again my target S1 and previous day low is reached. So on 10th of April, 3 trades and 2 trades has been successful. And on this particular day, especially when I am going for a short position, I will go with the lesser position sizing. Alright. Now on 11th of April, the market is taking supports at R1 and previous day high. In the first 2-3 candles, you can see the candles are taking supports at R1 and previous day high, and the market is going up. Now you can see a pullback as well. The market went up, it came for a pullback, and once again the market went up. So I feel this is a right area for building your position. Even if you have not taken any position, now initially in the first 3-4 candles, we generally never take any decision. Okay, because at first 2-3 candles, there are beginners who take a trade and they lose a lot of money. Okay, by looking at the first candle, by looking at the second candle, quickly they will be taking a random 3-4 trades and all the trades will be messed up. Alright, so until you gain some good experience, trading the open market is not advisable. So building a position somewhere around 10 o'clock when the market gave a minor pullback towards R1 and previous day high. So this looks good to be a long position for a quick scalping till R2. Now once again the market is taking supports at R2. You can build a long position with stop loss below R2. Your stop loss is hit. Now as soon as my stop loss is hit in the second trade, I can build a short position as soon as my stop loss is hit above R2 as my stop loss, and again my stop loss is hit in the third trade. Alright, so my first trade is around R1 and previous day high pullback. My second trade is above R2. My third trade is below R2, and I can see that here 2 trades are my stop loss hit. After that I will stay away from the market. So overall on 11th of April, it is not a great day for option buyers, especially because the market is trading around R2 levels and almost it was stuck between a range. It is not going to be easy for us. Now let us look at the trade opportunities on 12th of April. On 12th of April, we can see candles taking good supports at R1. Now let us look at the trade opportunities we got on 12th of April. On 12th of April, we can see the candles are beautifully taking support at previous day high. Now here, the distance between previous day high and R1 itself is very big. And we are having a wide CPR as well. Alright, so it is going to be a sluggish day. So if you are taking a long position at previous day high, and even if you are exiting at R1, by the time the market reaches R1, your premium decay will be done. So you will not have any bigger profits in that. So it's better to avoid taking trades whenever the market is stuck inside R1 and previous day high, especially when the range is higher. Look at the range between R1 and previous day high. The distance between R1 and previous day high itself is very big. So when the market is stuck between R1 and previous day high, especially in this kind of huge range, better you avoid taking any trade. Maybe you can take a long when R1 and previous day high is broken, and you can plan for a long opportunity till R2, and you can see over here your stop loss is hit, then you are done for the day. So a single trade and you are done for the day, your stop loss is hit, and you can see that the market is dead sideways. Now let us look at the trade opportunities we got on 13th of April, expiry day. On expiry day, I posted a trade plan in my Telegram channel telling that the premiums are very low and it's not going to be a seller's day. Today is supposed to be an option buyer's day, and I have said that around 10 a.m. itself. If the bulls are adamant to take the prices higher at every day high breakout, we will go for a long. I am expecting a buyer's day on 13th April. So whenever the market is breaking day high, I will go for a long. In case if the market is reversing from R2 or R3 or R4, then I will go for a short opportunity. There are chances that the market will fall heavily. And trade with less quantity today, because already the premiums are very low. Even if you trade with 1 lot or 5 lots or 10 lots, you are going to make a huge profits. It doesn't mean you have to trade with huge quantities to make huge money. In a low premium environment, even with lesser quantities, you can make a huge profit. So trade with less quantity. So this is what I said around 10 a.m. And even I said that long straddle will be a good in these kind of low wicks and low premium environment. Alright. So this I have said in the morning, and even I took a long straddle and I made easily 200 plus points in long straddle. Alright. So 13th of April is a very beautiful day for option buyers. Initially the market was having a range bound momentum. Now in the morning when the market was reversing from R2, we went for a quick short scalping, because already I have said if the market is reversing from R2, R3, R4, I am going for a short. So when the market gave a sharp rejection at R2, immediately I went for a short with the stop loss above R2, and my target R1 was easily reached. A very quick scalping trade. Now when the market came below R1 and previous day high, I went for a short scalping and I was aiming for the market to reach that particular day low as well as daily CPR, but unfortunately in this trade my stop loss was hit. Alright, and then what I did, I was waiting for this range to be broken, because now I got a range for that particular day. The market is stuck between this particular range and this particular range, and the market was trading between these two levels. As soon as this range was broken, immediately we started to build long position. So above R2 you can take a long position, your target R3 is reached. Above R3 you are taking a long position, your target R4 is reached. In both the cases your stop loss below R3, your stop loss below R2, below R3 is not at all hit. Alright, and even in one of my account I took a long straddle around 10 a.m. and my long straddle premiums were combined together, it was around 198 rupees, and I booked easily more than 400 rupees in that long straddle. So it was a beautiful option buyer's day on 13th of April, and well, I said that in my Telegram channel. So in case if you have not yet joined my Telegram channel, you can join using the link provided in the description. So overall, this month so far till 13th of April, it has been a very good day for scalping option buying traders. And even if you are a directional option seller, still you could have made a good money. Alright, so in one of my video, I have talked about this option selling for beginners, and I have talked about this trading diversification, and I personally do that. In one of my account, I trade for option buying, especially in Banknifty and stocks, and in one of my account, I do swing trading only in Banknifty, which includes directional option selling, and in another account, I do swing trading in stocks, which includes directional option buying as well as selling. So you can do that as well to diversify your risk rather than relying on one single particular strategy. Alright, so I hope you all enjoyed this Bank Nifty review video. Tomorrow I will post the trade plan for upcoming week in Bank Nifty. Until then, stay tuned. Together we grow as a price action trading community. Bye.